Hello everyone, I am back again. I'm going to try and make this video kind of short because technically our ENS and ESI are done at day 16, but I'm just going to keep doing some basic handling and we're going to do our scent introduction. Today I'm doing birch, which came out of my scent work kit. I really think I'm going to keep using the clippers on them every single day until we do first trims, and I may continue to do it even after their first trims just to keep them up on it. Of course, every time I get in here to do my video, Mercy comes in here and decides now's the time I want to make sure everybody's hungry and nursing. So I had to wait for her to finish nursing everybody again before I could get in here and start making my video. You're just so cute. Yes, you are. Oh my God. You look like you got something on your face. What is it? Oh, we get to do baths soon. He's got a little smudge on his face. It's okay. You're so cute. Alright, so I do that up, that down. Good boy. I didn't get the ice pack today. I just got back from the dog show and probably gonna have to wake up early in the morning to go back tomorrow morning. So that's why I'm trying to hurry through this. Oh look, you see the tan inside of his ear? Starting to get little tan points right here over his eyes. Hi, can I? Thanks. I know I don't have much room in here, but I need a little bit, just a little bit. Epic's trying to crawl under my leg. Oh, the little cute papers. Mwah. Get the best view of their faces and their expression when they're on their back. It's so funny. Such a good puppy. Yes, you are. Such a good puppy. Just the bestest puppy ever. The bestest puppies. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me get closer. He kind of made a face, didn't he? There he goes. You smell something on my finger too. Speaking of, I was at the dog show and I did change clothes for anybody who's wondering, because there's a lot of dogs at the dog show. Extra. Oh, nope, that's not extra. That is epic. I was looking at the collar and it looked red, but it's pink. Sorry about that, baby girl. I'm so sorry. And you had the best view because I couldn't see your muzzle from here. Oh, good girl. So we have no idea what that means yet, but hopefully that will be fun later. Good girl. Good girl. You don't like your feet? Okay. Do a little extra work right there on her feet. I'm actually getting a little bit of hair off. Decided to slide it over to a 40 blade and actually just trim up the little hairs on her feet. Good girl. All done. Go back to mama. Now it's Extra's turn. Well, you made us wait for you to be born. Why not make... Oh, yep, we definitely need a bath. It's about time for babies to get their first bath anyways. I guess we'll do that in another video. It will not be tonight, and it will probably not be tomorrow night, but we will get it done. Because puppy baths, even though there's only 4 of them, they can be exhausting. Oh, he likes it. He really likes it. Good job. He was very fascinated. Might be a good little scent work dog, won't you? Yeah. Yep. Head down. Oh, he doesn't like that today. You can see now, huh? He's like, I don't think I like that anymore. Thanks. You don't want to be on your back today either? Okay, there we go. He submit really quickly on that one. Let's see what he does with this. Because we've so far gotten very minimal reactions with him on the clipper. But he's a little bit more reactive today. Good job. Good job. And I just barely touched their little feet with that, so took a little bit of hair off, but not a whole lot. Like, you can't even tell I took anything off. All right, he's all yours. You can tell just right there, that's all the hair I took off. So not quite yet, but that is all for today. I'm headed to bed so I can get ready for the dog show again tomorrow. See you, bye.